Hello and welcome to another episode of Unacademy Spotlight. I have the wonderful NEET toppers with me here today. Akansha, Janvi, Hazik, Rinal and Dhruv. Okay, so I'm gonna ask them some questions, but this has a very interesting touch to it because we are going to go about asking some questions to them which are very frequently searched for. So we'll start with the first one, and the first question is, one second, I have this very interesting way how I'm going to go about it. Any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses? Okay. How many hours do NEET toppers study?
Depends actually, like 6 to 7 hours of class, उसके बाद 2-3-4 घंटे of self study.
I've been asked this question a lot of times and it's never fixed. For me, it's always been syllabus, on the basis of the amount of syllabus I want to complete.
Same. पढ़ना है, एग्जाम है तो पढ़ो, otherwise it's fine.
Hazik?
Like average of 6 to 8 hours, like जिसमें आपकी targets fix हो और वो ultimately इतना ही time आ जाता है 6 to 8 hours.
Yeah. So it's like wake up, study, sleep.
I guess.
More or less.
And take eating breaks. So guys, the next most frequently asked question. How to crack NEET along with board exams?
The syllabus is the same.
There's nothing.
There's nothing different.
Yeah.
Yeah?
English and physical education ही लेते हैं mostly लोग. वो last के तुम 2-3 हफ्ते में भी कर सकते हो easily, so you don't have to bother about that.
Okay, that's interesting.
The only difference is that the subjective questions you have to learn how to write answers, and that's pretty doable in like the last month as well.
Janvi, do you want to do it? Akansha, do you want to do it?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. So the question is, how much is math important in cracking NEET?
Not at all.
Out of everyone here, I was the only one who had math as an optional subject.
Yeah, it's not.
And it was a bad idea.
So you're saying no,
Yeah, till
not
10th.
important.
I mean,
Whatever math you need, you're taught in physics anyways.
I think the maths that is important from a NEET perspective is not math knowledge but math speed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is something that comes not from learning math but by practicing physics and chemistry as a physical organic part of chemistry.
Yeah.
Why do
Janvi?
we-
Okay, how to become a NEET topper?
That is a very specific question.
How to become a NEET topper? Tell me.
Don't think about it, to be very honest. Of becoming a topper person.
Yeah. Who is a NEET topper amongst you all?
None of us.
So, were you thinking about that at that point?
No, I mean, I can't speak for everyone, but I never thought about a specific rank in mind. At the most, people have colleges in mind, I think. And working towards a specific college is a very good idea because it gives you something to look forward to.
Yeah.
A college is associated with, a certain lifestyle, a certain passion, a certain that's something you dream about. Life in this particular college, whatever it is, whatever your personal goal. So I think that is better than aiming at topping
A
the
particular
exam.
rank.
Hazik, did you
But-
have this in mind? Did you want to? Were you thinking that I
there
have
is
to top?
there is a little contrast. Like I had this mindset from early, like I have to top.
Wow.
हाँ. Like
Manifestation.
I used to think like this.
Yeah.
कि मैं इतना ज़्यादा पढ़ रहा हूँ, क्यों इसीलिए पढ़ रहा हूँ? Because I have to top.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice. Wow, Dhruv.
It's visible.
Okay, do NEET toppers use social media?
Definitely.
Now, yes.
Now
I
mean,
did.
yes.
Now
I
Like
did.
after topping, yes.
Yeah.
I did it throughout the 2
Same,
years.
even I
Chronically online.
Yeah? How much? How much? If you were studying 6 to 8 hours and eating food also, when?
multitasking.
Yeah.
6 to 8 hours includes classes. So like
Oh.
there was a lot of other
So in
time.
class.
No.
Outside of
For the
class.
online, I didn't use social media. But then it is true that during classes, especially during online classes, it was very difficult to maintain focus. It's very difficult to do that when you're parked in front of a computer screen for like 6 hours
Yeah.
without break. So I used to listen to music, for example, or beach में I used to turn off the video and go do something else.
I used to play games online.
And
While
what
class
about
is
you
going.
guys?
I didn't use social media as such, but yeah, I did use like listening to music and then watching thoda YouTube videos here and there, watching some movies. But specifically Instagram and all, I didn't use it.
My preparation happened during the pandemic. So I was on social media, but definitely I wasn't very active on it.
Okay.
As well, not as active as I am now.
Okay, next one, Mrinal, do you want to tear it? Tear it is a very negative word. Do you want to reveal it? Okay, so do NEET toppers get scholarships?
Scholarship.
Not for NEET specifically.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
for topping NEET.
Not
Before
toppers.
NEET you get it.
Not
Yeah, there are
toppers,
other
the
exams.
NEET toppers after topping.
No.
Not
But
I mean,
NEET,
no.
the fees in itself is a scholarship.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is-
Yeah, is it?
It is.
Yeah,
it's,
Any good government college fees are like.
It's minimal.
हाँ,
it's
you
like-
pay lesser in college than in school.
Yeah.
And
A lot
that does not
less.
depend. You could have been in a very posh private school, or you could have been at a very basic school. It will still be cheaper than your school fees. So
Why
Yeah.
everyone knows it all? It's like 6K or something.
Then why
There's
just
a good, to be honest, there's a good chance you've had a dinner more expensive than.
yeah, honestly, that's
Wow,
true.
that's amazing.
That is
For the
amazing.
entire
you-
5 years.
But that's so good, yeah. If you study and then you get through a college where you don't have to worry about
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
things. That's very
definitely.
nice.
But even if you're still not able to afford it, there are provisions that you can apply for.
yeah,
Yeah.
Inside college, also there are a lot of in AIM specifically. There's a lot of scholarship schemes for people coming from economically backward backgrounds, and there's scholarship. There's merit scholarships also if you do well in the university exams and all.
Yeah, then you get.
So there's enough in place to support you
Amazing.
financially if the need arises.
Very nice. That's so good to know. Okay.
You see my problem?
Maybe it's an issue with the paper.
I did it.
Not on this sheet.
Do NEET toppers have a timetable to study?
No.
No.
I think that's very variable, to be
Yeah.
honest. Some do, some don't.
Can I share something quickly?
Yes.
So I used to make a timetable and I used to wake up and not follow it.
Yeah.
हाँ,
That's what
तो
I'm-
इसीलिए बहुत
किसी
लोगों
को-
के साथ ये होता है एंड इसीलिए कुछ लोग टाइम टेबल बनाना ही बंद कर देते हैं
Yeah, because you feel the failure.
exactly you're setting yourself
Rather
up for
than
failure.
making
But
a timetable, you can have a thing in your mind कि आज ये करना है.
Task
Like that
based
gives
rather
you
than
एक
time
idea.
based.
Like mini goals, what I want to complete.
but for a lot of people timetable से एक sense of structure आ जाता है दिन
Yeah.
में and a lot of people benefit from that. So it's a very personal thing.
Yeah,
yeah, whatever
मैंने-
works for
हाँ
you.
मैंने personally use नहीं किया था and
Did anyone use a timetable?
Mainly मतलब I did not get that demotivated with the failure, but ये था कि timetable की वजह से there was some sort of positive pressure that I had. So structure आ जाता था मेरे दिन में.
This is a very important question. I also मैं बहुत ज़्यादा interested हूँ ये जानने में.
This one came out.
yes and with
Do NEET toppers get demotivated?
A lot more than me get motivated.
To be very honest.
नहीं ये बिकॉज आप इतना कुछ पढ़ाई से एसोसिएटेड है, आप बहुत समय अकेले बिताते हो पढ़ाई करते हुए और आपके आसपास भी वही चल रहा होता है, तो अगर होता ही है, अगर आप डिमोटिवेटेड होते ही हो, हाउ डू यू डील विद इट?
I think it's very important to have a support system in place. Like build a support system of not just your peers, people who are of different ages, who are not going through the same thing as you, so that you have someone who's like an external observer. You can rant to them easily.
I had my family in place. I had a very good support system throughout the entire time.
Yeah, like your
To be
parents.
honest,
and-
I forget about it.
Yeah.
When
I'm demotivated. No! I'm not!
honestly,
Have a good night's sleep. Everything will seem easier in the morning.
And like I used to like watch a movie, like कोई एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं गया, results आए अच्छा नहीं है, ठीक है थोड़ी देर spend किया कि ठीक है क्या क्या mistakes हुए, and then watch a movie or something like which helps you relax, and then just move on कि ठीक है हो गया आगे करते हैं.
हम मूवी तो देखते थे, अगर अच्छा गया तो अपने आप को रिवॉर्ड करने के लिए
पर ये चीज होती है, अगर आप डिमोटिवेटेड या अनहैप्पी फील कर रहे हो तो कुछ एक्सटर्नल एफर्ट डालने होते हैं सो दैट यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग, आपको वापस अच्छा लगने लगे, यू नो हाउ इट्स कॉल्ड आउटवर्ड इनसाइड.
yeah.
So that I'm sure
You
goes
do
in
need to be
there.
self-motivated, but there are a lot of times when that's not sufficient.
Support
Yeah.
system is
So
very
that is why
important.
a support system.
It's important.
And finding ways to externalize all the stress that you have, because it might not be a big deal, but you're making a huge deal out of it.
Yeah. एंड कब किसी के भी साथ ऐसा हुआ that there was a lot of family pressure instead of support?
not
I think
me
this is
at
very
least.
important for the families also to understand that when you're preparing for such a big entrance exam, it's very easy to get demotivated by the pressure that you're putting on yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If the family's adding on to it, it's not going to be
More
easy.
often than not, pressure is counterproductive,
Yeah.
especially when it comes from family.
External
Yeah.
pressure.
But again, there is a there's a sweet spot to it because I've also heard from some people ki if the family puts no pressure on them, they take it as a sign that their family does not believe in them. It's very messed up if you really think about it. But I know a couple of people who felt that. So I think when it comes to pressure, the point is it should not feel like pressure. Your parents have hopes and aspirations from you because they believe in you. But it's very important that the child does not feel like you're going to be a disappointment if those do not come
Yeah.
true. So there's a way to play it, and obviously that's going to be very subjective based on how each student responds to stress
Fair
and pressure. So it's kind of important for teachers and parents, I feel.
Guys, ये बहुत wholesome था पूरा conversation और I'm sure it's going to help every aspirant as well. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And with that, we come to the end of this episode. I hope you liked it and I hope this inspires you because it sure did inspire me. And if you like our videos, you can like, share and subscribe to Unacademy's podcast. See you next time.